Hey everyone, so today we're diving into a business solution called Fruitland. The big idea here is that it's designed to be the central nervous system for a modern retail company, connecting everything from your online store to your in-person sales all the way to the final delivery. Let's jump in.
All right, if you've ever run a retail business, you know this feeling, right? You're trying to keep track of online orders over here, in-store sales over there, and then manage deliveries with a completely different tool. It's a mess, a recipe for chaos, really. And that's exactly where Fruitland comes in. The whole point is to replace that chaos with one single integrated platform. It pulls your online storefront, your in-store checkout system, that's the POS, and all your behind-the-scenes operations together under one roof.
So how does this whole thing actually work? Well, we're going to break it down into four key parts. And we have to start with the most important one, right? The customer's experience. Because at the end of the day, a great business starts with a happy customer. So what does this look like for the person actually buying from you? Well, they get our really modern shopping experience. Think about it. Setting up weekly subscriptions for things you buy all the time, getting automatic discounts for buying in bulk, and earning rewards every time you shop. The system even makes it super easy to reorder your favorites. It's all designed to turn that first-time buyer into a loyal, returning customer.
And the loyalty program? It's beautifully simple. For every 100 rupees you spend, you earn 1 point. That 1 point is worth 1 rupee, and you can start spending those points as soon as you hit 100. It's just a really clear, powerful reason to keep people coming back.
Okay, so the customer experience is slick. But what about you, the person actually running the show? Well, that brings us right into section 2, the business command center. And honestly, this is the real heart of the whole system.
Now here's where Fruitland really shines. It unifies all your sales channels. An order comes in online, boom, logged automatically. Someone walks into your physical store, the point of sale system creates their order in a snap. And the best part? All that data flows into one central place, which means your inventory gets updated in real time no matter where the sale happened.
And speaking of inventory, that's absolutely critical, right? This system lets you set up your own custom low stock alerts. So for example, you can tell it, hey, let me know when my dragon fruit stock drops below 10 units. It's a simple little feature, but it means you're never caught off guard and you always know exactly when to reorder.
When it comes to getting those orders out the door, the whole process is just so efficient. Let's walk through it. An order comes in and it pops right up on your dashboard. With just one click, you can assign it to a driver who's free. And from that moment on, you can watch its progress live, all the way from assigned to delivered. Super simple, totally transparent.
And we're not just talking about orders here. This command center is the real deal. You're managing your products, your warehouses, all your user accounts, customer reviews, even handling refunds, all from this one spot. It's like having total control right at your fingertips.
Okay, so having all this data in one place is fantastic. But the real magic, is when you can actually use that data to take action. And that brings us to section 3, how Fruitland helps you go from just having data to making some really smart decisions.
The analytics dashboard pretty much gives you a visual snapshot of your business's health at a glance. You can see your top selling products immediately. Are dragon fruits just flying off the shelves? Is that premium fruit box a surprise hit? This is the kind of instant insight that tells you exactly where to put your energy and your money. But it's not just about looking at what's already happened. The system actually helps you look into the future. It takes all your past sales data and uses some pretty smart AI to forecast demand. Basically, it's predicting what your customers are going to want to buy next week or even next month. And why is that such a game changer? Well, the source material puts it perfectly. It helps you avoid loss in business, especially when the goods are perishable. I mean, if you're selling fresh produce, that's not just a cool feature, it's a lifeline. It's what stops you from wasting product and losing money. All right, so we've seen things from the customer side and from the admin's command center. Now for the final piece of this puzzle, section 4, seamless delivery. This is where the digital system hits the road, literally. They really made the process for the delivery driver about as simple as it gets. They have this clean dashboard where new assignments just pop up. As they go through the delivery, they just tap to update the status. Out for delivery, payment collected. One last tap to mark it as delivered, and the job's done. No confusion, just a super clean workflow. And get this isn't happening in a vacuum. Every single update that driver makes on their device, it syncs instantly with the main admin panel. So the business owner has this complete live picture of everything that's happening out on the road. No more phone calls, no more guessing games.
So, when you put it all together, you see the big picture. Fruitland isn't three different pieces of software taped together. It's one single unified ecosystem that connects the customer, the business admin, and the delivery agent. Everybody is on the same page, working from the same playbook in real time. So, as we wrap this up, you can see how every single piece of this puzzle connects, from that first click a customer makes all the way to the final delivery confirmation. It all comes back to having that single source of truth, which really leaves just one big question. What could a system like this do for your business?